Hello, hope you all enjoyed the video. Couple of new things with this one. The shot me taking out the eggplant out of the fridge. I just saw a shot of the camera in the fridge and I was like, oh yes, of course, that's a good one to do. So I tried that one, and I'm trying to kind of get into a bit of a comfortable place of not spending too much time in the videos, but still trying to think about like certain shots and trying to create new things as we go along. I hope it helps that I'm now looking at the camera. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the salad. Hope you enjoyed the video. And we'll see you tomorrow. Cool. Cheers.